Hello to each and every one of you and welcome to Steven Sir Makes It Easy. And as usual, I hope by the end of today's lecture, whatever is the content that I explain to you will make your life a little bit more easier as far as accountancy and finance is concerned. Please do make sure you associate yourself with us through our various social media handles, be it Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. I am personally trying to improve my presence on those social media handles, but your connection to those social media handles would definitely encourage us. Also, the most important one, which is the Telegram channel given just above me, please make sure you are a definite part of that Telegram channel, because we use Telegram to share what are the lectures that have been uploaded, and more importantly to share the PDF of all the question and solutions as and when the chapter comes to an end, which can help you immensely before your upcoming examinations. Also, the textbook which is used for providing the question and the answer explanation, if you intend to purchase it, you can always do that from the description link which has been provided below this particular video. Okay, let's get started. So here goes. This being our kind of introduction lecture for our first chapter, and नाम क्या है? Well, specific name तो लिखा नहीं है मैंने पीछे, but what we will be dealing with is what I have put up here. So it's basically introduction to partnership. Okay, now how is this different from what you were learning last year? Well, I should say last online year, because pretty much all your lectures were online itself. Okay, here goes. In your 11th standard, आपका ध्यान, well, syllabus is such that it is on a sole trader. Okay, what's a sole trader? One man show, that one man runs the entire business. He is the owner, he is the manager, he is the cashier, he is the bartan manjne wala, he is the cook, he is the chef, he is the jhadu lagane wala, he is the accountant, he, or maybe she. There is one person that is the owner of the business, but this long list that I gave you, owner, manager, chaprasi, jhadu wala, cook, so many roles. Do you think one person is going to be good at all of those roles? May not be. He can be 90% good as a manager, 80% good as a waiter, 70% good as an accountant. He can't be 100% in all the roles. It's difficult. Okay, because a person, that is you and me, has got some positives, some negatives, some good and some bad, some advantages, some disadvantages. That is where partnership comes into picture. Meaning, why do people, 2 people, 4 people, 10 people, okay, come together and start a partnership? Because one person cannot be good at everything. You have to understand that. That is very important. That is the base of partnership. So if one person could do everything, then that one person would do that everything for his entire life. He would never depend upon anyone else. But that is not possible. That one person one day will become old and he will not be able to do the running around. He will not. So I repeat, however talented a person is, an actor, however talented, he can concentrate only on his acting. If he has to worry whether I will get this producer's movie, whether I will get part 2 of the movie, There are so many things that an actor has to worry. Okay, he can't do. He has to only concentrate on his acting. So the remaining, maybe he has a manager. Okay, so the manager is like, sir आप acting करो. Okay, आप concentration dialogue delivery पे करो. बाकी आना जाना रहना, hotel booking, this that, you don't worry. I'll take care of it. You do one job, I'll do the other job. Okay, so it's like that. Whether it is a sports personality, whether it's a film personality, an athlete, anything, one person can not be good at everything. वो कोशिश भी करेगा. If they even try their best, okay, things would just drive them crazy, and what they are good at, their performance will start to go down. So quite simple. If you have a YouTuber who is good at comedy, so that YouTuber should worry about what will be my next video, what should be the script, what should be the dialogues, what should be the punch. Of shooting, nahi yaar, let me just get a friend and tell him to shoot kar. Editing, let me get another friend and tell him to edit kar. Sound effect, let me get somebody else. I repeat, it's a teamwork. One person has limitations. That is where we start this particular chapter. So in this particular chapter, I will on multiple occasions be talking about Indian Partnership Act. There is no act, Kanun, for a sole trader, one man show. There is no Kanun. Okay? You want to start a shop? Start a shop. Where do you want to start a shop? What money are you going to put into it? What money are you going to remove out of it? What are you going to sell? When will you open your shop? When will you close your shop? It's your shop. Man marzi. You want to do whatever you do. You want to close your shop on Monday, first day of the week, keep it closed. Okay? वो कहते हैं ना हिंदी में क्या कि ये मेरे बाप का है, तो उसी तरह अपना ही दुकान है, जो करना है करो. You are not answerable to anyone. But yes, there will be certain things, activities where you will not be able to perform best. So that is where a partnership comes into picture. Let me very quickly go ahead, and before I give you more examples, first thing, in a partnership, minimum there have to be two people who come and shake a hand. Yes, you and me, let's start. Okay, acha, there can be two and there can be more than two. Minimum is two. Okay, I'll go into the more number as and when I take this lecture ahead and I tell you the features. Okay, now why am I starting with partnership? The first lecture of introduction already has told you the significance of the concept of partnership for your SHC. Okay, maybe that was misspelled. Okay, HSC or SYJC accounts, as simple as that. Okay, so you can have two people who come together, or you can have more than two people who come together. What is very important, they come together. They are not fighting. They have one common objective. They think the same. They may not look the same. They may not have the same physical characteristic, height, build, color, weight. No. They may look physically different, but they think the same. Okay, business हमको किसका करना है? Okay, what should be the product that we should make and sell? Same. Okay, because the moment if two partners or three partners or four partners think differently, there is no agreement. Very important, agreement. There has to be agreement. If there is no agreement, then what? Then there are going to be fights. Many of you must have observed तुम्हारा घर पे तुम्हारे मम्मी डैडी के बीच में, if there is agreement on a particular topic, things are smooth, the environment in the house is chill. But the moment there is a topic and mama thinks otherwise, papa thinks otherwise, then there is WWF, there is karate, and there is whatnot happening. And you are, and the environment in the house is a very apprehensive environment. Okay, you're like, I better don't say anything, if not I will get some sayings from here and some sayings from there. Why? Because both are angry on each other, they don't agree on something. Therefore the partnership between my mama and papa today is shaky. If they agree, smoothly it goes ahead. Okay, let me take the story ahead. And with that, what do I mean? Partnership can be compared to a marriage. Okay, it can be compared to a traditional Indian marriage because two people come together, or maybe an American marriage, still two people come together. But these good times don't always last. On the first day, happily married. On the first day, partnership starts happy. But then it doesn't always remain happy. There are ups and downs. There are going to be fights. There are going to be tu me. There are going to be blame game. And hopefully, if one of them has a mature mind, one of them will say, I'm sorry, please forget it. Okay, next time I will not do. And the partnership will continue. But in a marriage, it happens many times. Okay, maybe the husband is at fault, maybe the wife is at fault, maybe if nobody is at fault, still the husband will say, रहने दो ना यार, मेरे से गलती हो गया. Okay, so I repeat, it happens in a marriage, ups and downs. But when it comes to a business, things are different. I repeat myself. Why are things different? Quite simply put, because it involves a lot of money. Okay, because there are people who have come together, the thinking was the same, but now the thinking has changed. Okay, there can be many reasons for that. Okay, maybe one of the partner is not interested in the business, one of the partner is old and therefore he has become chidchida. Somebody is supportive of technology, somebody is not supportive of technology. Somebody is adventurous and wants to start something new, somebody is like, no, let it be, let us just continue with the old products and the old style of business. Two people, more than two people, have a different mindset. The moment they have a different mindset, that partnership may not continue. During this particular year, we are going to be dealing with all of that. Right now, legally, what is the definition of partnership? Well, partnership is governed by an act, okay, of India, which is called as Indian Partnership Act 1932. Section 4, an act is nothing but a Qanun, and in that there are sections 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like your cupboard may have, your kitchen may have, your refrigerator may have sections. Okay, so not technically that section, but parts. Section 4 says, well, if you notice above, it is the relationship. What is that? Partnership. It is the relationship between persons. How many persons? More than two. Two or more than two, who have agreed. Very important, agreement. Okay, they don't think north south, east west. No, agreed, same direction, to share the profits. Obviously, okay, when a couple on the marriage day, they give vows, vaida. What vaida? Okay, actually the vaida is very practical. The husband may be telling the wife in return may be telling the husband, I will be with you in good times and bad times, in sickness and in pain. But internally, you want there to be more good times. You want there not to be less sickness and pain, more happiness. But it's a part and parcel of life. होता है. Okay. अभी आपको क्या याद रखना है? Act, कानून क्या बोलता है? It is the relationship between persons who have agreed to share the profits. Well, they don't want to be negative. So above they have just said profits. But then if there is loss, you can't say, no, losses now you keep. I don't want losses. No, if you agree for the good, you agree for the bad. You agree to be together in good times, you agree to be together in bad times also. So profit or losses of a business carried on by all or any one of them acting for all. I'll explain this in a little bit more detail. What does this mean? Carried on by all. All matlab Mr. A, Mr. B, Mr. C, all the Mr. and Mrs. whoever are the partners, or any one of them acting for all. Many a times possible that there are 4 partners, 3 partners stay at home, or not at home, they are busy, they are abroad, they are not in the shop, only one partner is in the shop. But then that is how those 4 partners have come to an agreement that I am busy, I am busy, I am busy, I am hero, I am heroine, I will be going there, I will be going here. So you are there in Bombay, na Baba, you sit. You can WhatsApp us, you can give us a call, you can make a video call, okay? We will online be available. So I repeat, it can be that all of them are running the shop, or it can be one of them running the shop for all of them. Any possibility of combination can happen. Okay, a few more things. When 2 or more persons come together, you have to come together, very important, okay? And agree, very important, agree, there should not be fight. Agree to share the capital, the money that you put into the business, the management. You do one job, I'll do one job, you do task A, I'll do task B, the risk and profits of the business. Risk happens, okay, profits and losses happens, we will share. Such relationship based on agreement amongst these persons is called as partnership. What is partnership? The rishta, the relationship between 2 or more persons who do all of the things above. Hey, we will share the capital, we will share the management, we will share the risk, we will share the reward matlab the profits. Okay, we will take this a little bit ahead. The persons who have entered into the partnership are individually called as what? Partners. Your partner 1, your partner 2, your partner 3, your partner 4, and collectively they are called as a firm. FIRM, firm. Okay, together. Okay, that's a few things about partnership. Let us go a little ahead and learn a few more things about partnership. This is an introductory lecture about partnership because we have multiple chapters based on the various situation of partners. Fine, let's get started with features of partnership. If you have a shop in front of you, a business establishment in front of you, which is run by 2 or more than 2 persons, it's a partnership. So what can you expect in that? First, agreement. That those 2 people, those 4 people, those 6 people, those 10 people, okay, they should agree on what they are going to do today, on what is the plan for tomorrow, on what is the business going to do for the next 6 months. They have to agree, because if they don't agree, then the partnership will close down, shutter down. So first thing, if partnership has to be alive, if a marriage, because it's a partnership, a marriage, a shadi, okay, if a partnership or a marriage has to survive, there can be ups and downs, but there has to be eventually agreement. Because if it does not, if the husband and the wife do not, if the mother and the father do not agree, I just heard what? Bill Gates, rich guy, I don't know how and why, I have no idea, but after 27 years of marriage, getting divorced from his wife. Hey, money can't be the problem. He is one of the richest in the world. So I repeat, there has to be some disagreement somewhere, some thinking. They run one of the biggest charitable organizations, Bill and Melinda Gates Foundations. Such a rich person, okay, after 27 years of marriage, getting divorced from his wife. Money definitely cannot be the issue. It has to be something else. So agreement जब तक है तब तक पार्टनरशिप है. दूसरा, नंबर ऑफ पर्सन्स. ओके, मिनिमम 2 लोग तो पार्टनर होना चाहिए. ऑब्वियसली ना, यू कैन हैव 1 पर्सन इन अ मैरिज. इट्स नॉट अ मैरिज. ओके, मैरिज इज अ यूनियन. ओके, सो 2 लोग तो होने चाहिए. एंड कंपनीज एक्ट सेज दैट अ पार्टनरशिप कैन हैव मैक्सिमम 50. 50 is quite a bit. 50 people, so it cannot be 51. Okay, so minimum, maximum. Next, lawful business. Hey, that's very, very important. A partnership, 2 people come together, they start a shop. Can they do something illegal? Betting, illegal. No, it's not allowed by law. That business, that shop, online, offline, it has to be lawful, because if it is unlawful, then you can't run that particular partnership. Sharing of profit and losses. Obviously, you can't just say, hey, profits we'll share, profits I'll keep, losses you keep. That nobody will become your partner. Nobody will agree to become your partner. When you I'm again and again comparing partnership to marriage, because that's the best example to give you. A husband accepts a wife accepts a husband with the good qualities and the bad qualities. Okay, so you may be good at calculations, you may be a very affectionate person, a very romantic person, hey, but maybe sometimes you get a lot angry. Okay, you may have some habits which are very irritating. So I can't be telling you just bring the good things, the bad things you keep for your mama papa. No. Okay, so whether it is profit or losses, it has to be shared. Now the question mark, how do you share it? Well, padho kya likha hai. Partners have to share profit and losses in the ratio given in the agreement. So I will speak a little about agreement in the next, not lecture, next part of this particular lecture, but there is an agreement at the beginning. And what does that agreement say? The agreement is between the partners, and the partners will say, see, after 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 6 months, 8 months, our business will increase, we will make profits, but how are we going to share it? Let's discuss that. Let's not fight later. Okay, so there is an agreement. You keep this much, I keep this much, you keep this much. Don't fight later, huh? Already agreed. Okay, now if the agreement is not there, meaning if there was no decision taken about how to share profits or losses, then what to do? Then it is quite simple. The Qanun says, the Act says, then Baba, don't fight, equal. If the profit is 10,000, two partners, you keep 5,000, I keep 5,000. If the loss is 10,000, two partners, you keep 5,000, I keep 5,000. If the profit is 15,000, three partners, 5,000, 5,000, 5, equal. Let's not fight. So that's the simple thing with profit and losses. Keep this thing etched in your mind. Why? Because maximum of our chapters are partnership based. Because they are partnership based, you will in every chapter and every problem come at a point where you will find out profit or loss, because that is what you do accounts for. When you find out profit or loss, so that there is no fight, tera kitna, you should know how to share the profit and losses. Okay, if nothing is given in the question, everybody, any question for the whole year, any chapter, if nothing is given, so you should not be, sir, what should I do? Very simple, keep it easy, equal, everybody is happy. Next, unlimited liability. It's a little bit technical. What do you mean by unlimited liability? What do you mean by liability? Your responsibility. What do you mean by unlimited liability? Hey, there is no limit. In business, what is your liability? If I take a loan, it's my liability. If I have got creditors, people to be paid, it's my liability. If there is outstanding salary to be paid to my employees, it's my liability. What is unlimited? You have to pay it. Okay, I'll pay it, no, for my business. If I've got to pay 10 lakhs, I will go to my business, I will open the tijori and I'll remove money. But if there is only 8 lakhs in it, so you can only pay 8 lakhs. 10 lakhs में 2 lakhs is still remaining. Then what to do? Is it limited to the money that you have in your business? No. Those people will put a case on you. They will take you to the court. The judge will tell you, do one thing. You have sold everything from your business. Now go home. Take everything from your house. Sell that also. If you argue with the judge, no judge, that's it, keep it limited till my business. He will say, no, this is partnership. Your liability to make your payments to others is unlimited. Please read. The liability of the partners is unlimited. Joint and several. What does joint and several mean? If there are 3 partners, A cannot pay, B and C, you all have to pay. B cannot pay, A and C, you all have to pay. It's joint. And several meaning it is individual also. So I repeat, jointly you all have to clear all the liabilities, and individually also. If A's property ends, B, now you sell your property. C, now you sell your property. If you are like, no, it is A's fault, why should my property be sold? You all are in partnership. Good times and bad times, you all have to be together. So if this is the bad time, you have to be responsible for the crime, well, not the crime, okay, for the insolvency, okay, the deficiency of the other partner. Okay, so that's the meaning of unlimited liability. You have to hook or crook pay off all your liabilities. If you cannot pay it from your business, you have to pay it from your ghar. Next, registration. What does this mean, registration? Well, it means you, when you were born, were you registered? Yes, you didn't do that, but your parents did that. And when you were registered, you were given a legal identity. The municipality put in their records that you were born. You are an addition to your family. Now your family is no longer mummy, papa, it is mummy, papa and son or daughter. Okay, accordingly, okay, there are multiple benefits that you get when you register a new child in a family. If your members are only 2, then the municipality may say, hey, then now we will give this much ration, okay, this much chawal, atta, dal, something like that. If there are more family members, then we will increase the benefits. So it depends. When you register meaning you go and telling the authorities, मेरे घर पे ये पैदा हुआ है, उसका ये नाम है, ये दिन पे वो पैदा हुआ. So you tell them, please put it up in your records. Well, here a partnership, okay, registration is mandatory in Maharashtra, but in the rest of India it is not mandatory, not compulsory. You don't have to go to a government officer, okay, and tell that officer in rest of India, leaving Maharashtra, okay, in rest of India, you don't have to go to a government officer and say, I am starting a partnership. No. If it is Gujarat, if it is Madhya Pradesh, any other part except Maharashtra, if you and your friend or you and your brother or sister or family member or cousin come together and start a shop, start. You don't have to tell anyone. You don't have to register. But in Maharashtra, it has been made compulsory that if you start a partnership, registration has to be done. The date has been given above, 1st April 2005. Before that, it was optional even in Maharashtra. Now, if you register, what are the benefits? Quite simple put, if in future there is any jhagda between the partners, okay, the court will only listen to you if your business was registered. If it was not registered, then the court is like, you don't have an identity, you are not in our records, we don't know you, we don't know your shop, so why should we entertain you? So I repeat, to avoid future complications, okay, it is always better to register, as simple as that. Okay, so you are always given priority if you have a little idea regarding the vaccination procedure for the COVID vaccine. Okay, many people directly go to the vaccine center, for them different line, but many people go there and tell, I have registered on the website, okay, I have put my Aadhaar card and this and that, I have done everything. They are entertained faster because they are there in the system. Their application for vaccine is there in the system, so it is a little bit faster. But those who are not registered, काम उनका भी होता है, but थोड़ा time ज़्यादा जाता है. Next, joint ownership and management. What does this mean, joint ownership and management? कि in the business, if there is a television, if there is furniture, if there is computer, there is laptop, there is machine, there is tube light, every partner is the owner. Every partner, very important. Okay, and लिखा है ना, each partner is the joint owner of the property of the business and have equal rights in managing the firm. So everybody is equally responsible to run the establishment, to run the shop. Very simply put, that is the meaning of joint ownership. Individually, one partner cannot say, hey, this computer is very good, let me take it home. No, no, no. How can you take it home? Because the other partner is also the equal owner. So that is very right. Okay, so I repeat, everyone is what do you call, part owner, okay, of all the assets in the business. Principal and agent, this is again something which is very, very important. What do you mean by principal? Hey, the top guy in the educational institution, maybe the college, maybe the school. So in partnership, every partner is a principal, every partner. But principal to whom? To outsiders. So when an outsider, a customer, a supplier comes to the shop, okay, and out of 3 partners, 1 partner is there. Okay, so is that partner, can that partner take a decision? Why not? Because he will say, hey, I am the owner. The other partners, I will inform them, not a problem. You can talk to me. So I repeat, I am the main guy. They are also the main guys. They are also the main persons. But if they are not available, not a problem. काम रोकने का जरूरत नहीं, मेरे से तुम लोग बात कर सकते हो. टॉप पे मैं भी हूं, वो भी है, वो भी है. उन लोग अवेलेबल नहीं है, मेरे से बात कर लो. प्रिंसिपल. ओके. तो दुनिया के लिए, फॉर द आउटसाइडर्स, all the partners are the main characters. All the partners. You can talk to anyone. हाँ. Next क्या है? Each partner works in a double role, meaning he is a principal as well as an agent. Now hold on. What do you mean by agent? Agent is someone who works on behalf of someone else. A principal is someone who takes the main decision. So all partners can take the main decision because they are all principals. But you can also act as an agent for the other partners. You see, partner A is not there, partner B is not there. So don't worry. I'll take your message to them. I will convey your message to them because I can also be the main guy to take a decision if the decision has to be taken. Okay, it need not be delayed. It need not be delayed. But if you have to convey some message, okay, then I can convey it because I am like an agent for the remaining partners. So if required, I can be the main person. If required, I can be the subordinate person. I can be the principal so that things don't get delayed, but I can also be the agent so that messages don't get delayed. Messages and multiple other things, but just trying to tell you that 2 roles a partner performs for his particular business. Okay. Last, dissolution. What do you mean by dissolution? Close the partnership. Why do you have to close the partnership? Well, see, first point, agreement. If there is no agreement, then how can you run? If there is no agreement between a husband and a wife, will that particular relationship survive? No. Bill and Melinda Gates. Maybe there is some tutu meme somewhere that they have come to a situation of getting divorced from each other. Not just them, they are just in the current news, so I am speaking about them. There are so many. When between 2 people, between 3 or 4 people, if there is no agreement, then the shop has to close down because you wouldn't want, okay, you may have some anger, some grudge, some jealousy, some negative feeling about that person and you will like, मेरे को तेरा शक्ल देखने का नहीं है, तो obviously business कैसे करोगे? Dissolve तो करना पड़ेगा. So yes, a partnership firm can be dissolved through agreement between the partners. Okay, so the partners can agree, okay, we don't want to be continuing this shop. No problems. You can close the shop if you all agree to do so. Okay, maybe if 3 partners, one person does not want to continue. Okay, so you close that shop. 2 people want to continue. You start a new shop. No problems about it. No issues about it. Okay, so for today, I will bring this explanation because this is more theory related to an end, and there are multiple aspects to a partnership. Today I have only covered up the meaning of partnership, the meaning of partners, the meaning of a firm, and the meaning of or the features of a partnership. The next time I meet you, we will go more into detail of a partnership deed, okay, and that partnership deed contains what is a partnership deed, and the next episode, okay, the next lecture is going to be based on that. So this is the beginning of our lecture series, so I don't want to be sorry about that. I don't want to be getting too much into too many details at the very beginning. As and when those details are required, उसका खुलासा हो जाएगा. तब तक के लिए do take care of yourself, take care of your family members, stay indoors if possible, stay safe, have a wonderful day ahead. Good day to each and every one of you. As and when practical problems will be solved, please do note that the PDF of that practical question and answer will be available in the description of that particular lecture video. And on the Telegram channel, when the entire chapter comes to an end, the entire chapters, all questions and answers in PDF format will be shared on that particular Telegram channel. Okay, so that is it for today's lecture. I will be seeing you very soon. Well, seeing you in the sense I will be seeing you to teach you very soon. तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखना. Take care of yourself. Bye for now.